Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mechanical Mind channel. In this video, I want to show you how I'm able to do so many different things just in my home garage. A lot of times viewers think that I'm working out of a machine shop or mechanic shop or something, and it's just the garage at my house. And I'm able to do many things, like I'll go from working on mowers. I'll work on a lot of commercial mowers, residential mowers. I'll work on cars, do trailers, welding, all kinds of different things just right here in this garage. So I want to show you some of the items that I use on a daily basis that help me transition from one job to the next and keeps me efficient. So the first thing I want to show you is this Vevor outdoor storage shed. It's very handy. It's got this zip up door. And the reason I've got it was because a lot of times when I have customers' mowers, I might have multiple mowers and I might be doing some welding or grinding or painting inside of the garage, and I don't want my customers' mowers to get paint on them or get damaged from all that, and I don't want them to be sitting out in the sun or in the rain, so I want to keep them nice and protected. And I set this up. It's really easy to set up. You can move it around if you need to, and it just has these poles and they slip into place. It's so easy to set up. The instructions are easy, but I've set it up so many times that I don't really even need the instructions anymore. And then to secure it outside, I'll use these twist-in ground anchors that I also got from Lowe's. And I'll put a link to all this stuff in the top comment, and go to my Lowe's storefront and you can find all this stuff that I'm showing you in this video. And after setting that thing up so many times, it was so easy, and I figured that I don't really have to do the full 14 feet. I can just do half of it. And so that's what I'm doing right here. I roll down some paper out in my garage, and I'm just setting up that half of the booth. And then I'll put the end caps on. You got one that acts as a door, and then I'll put some translucent plastic, and it helps me get some light. And then I can just sit here and paint these trimmer racks that I'm building, and then tear it down, put everything away, and it just goes right into a box, and it just makes everything just really easy. I could just basically make a indoor paint booth really quick, then take up that paper, fold it up, and reuse it later. All right, you can see how big it is in here. So again, 6 foot by 8 foot by 14 foot. And what I was doing, see how they just pop in? They have these T's and everything. It's super simple how to put it together. And they have them all marked, 2, 2A, 1, 2, and all that good stuff. Super easy to put together. And you can see it's kind of windy. Those ground anchors are doing good. I only have one on in the 4 corners because I got a 4-pack. I need to get another 2 of them, but I'm not planning on leaving it here. It's just a great example of just some temporary shed. It's super cheap, affordable, well worth every penny. And it just allows me to get a lot of room in my garage, because when I'm working on like a mower, like say for example a 0-turn or a residential, like a riding mower, and I need to take the deck off, I want to have lots of room, and it gets really dirty in here, so it just makes it easy. I just work on one thing at a time. And for example, like right now, I'm got this engine out of a dirt bike. I'll show you guys. I don't want, dirt and all that stuff to be, basically I'll weld on this table, I'll do all that, so I don't want cross-contamination. And speaking of Vevor, this is actually one of the very first things that I bought from them. I had a tool truck brand bore scope that was like 6 times the cost of this one, but this one is so nice. I can't remember what it was. I'll put a link to all this stuff because I liked it so much that gave me confidence to buy the Vevor outdoor shed. And then I also have a mag drill that I use. I've done a video on that. I need to do a video on this. This is a drill press that I use from Vevor. I need to do a video on that. And then one thing I'll show you guys that I love using is this air jack. Now they have these to several different ratings as far as like 3-ton, 5-ton, etc., and different styles. And they are fast, but I don't recommend you go extremely fast. You can kind of throttle it with the air valve there. Just take your time, do it nice and slow, be safe. I'm zipping off these lug nuts with my DeWalt Impact. And just make sure you put a jack stand, safety stand underneath the vehicle as well. Now all of this stuff you can get on Lowe's, but not in the store. The Vevor stuff, you can't really get it in the store, but you can get it online. So what I want you to do, use my the link that I'm going to have on the video and in the top description, in the top comment and in the description, and that's going to take you to my Lowe's storefront. And that's the best way you guys can help, me bring you more of these videos, because it's not going to cost you any money. You'll get what you want from Lowe's, and then they support the channel by sponsoring some videos. So another thing I want to show you, when we first moved in here, like when I was using that paint booth and I'd put that plastic, I like to reuse the plastic, and so I'd put it up in the attic, and we did just have, like, it was just like one of those pieces of wood up here. I'd have to break out a ladder and push the piece of wood up, but now we have this nice, I want to say it's a Werner, what is it called? It's an aluminum attic ladder. Aluminum attic ladder. It's Werner brand. I'm going to show you the part number here. And this model is rated for 375 pounds. You want to make sure you check the size of your opening and the height. They have several different styles. The Werner, if I'm pronouncing that right, but anyway, here's the model number, AH2210C, MK3. Man, this has been so handy because I can take those bags, like plastic bags, when I'm done with the plastic, I got lots of stuff up there, like another table, chairs, and all this other stuff, supplies. Anything that's just easy to put up there, I can get it up there out of my way. Very, very handy. I can just do that really quick. And a lot of times I can even have like one of the cars right here, and I can still fold it down and get it access to that attic. So that was one of the first things that we did when we moved in here, and I was trying to just kind of make this garage into basically my workshop, since I work for myself now, and that helps me keep my overhead down quite a bit. But another thing that I some of these shelves from Lowe's, these are Project Source, and there's two different types. There's one that's just, it's metal. So for $179, they have one that's just like kind of like a wood, particle board wood there, and it's actually pretty strong. I mean, it's holding quite a bit of weight right now. Got some air hoses right there. It's not even really buckling right there. But for $199, you can get the type that has, it's like a metal grating underneath there, like that. And then I added the wood on there just for extra, so I could put stuff like bolts. I need to organize this thing. It gets used every day. I got my, oils and cleaning supply, carb cleaner and stuff like that. And then cleaning supplies, gas down there, paint stuff, sandpaper, all kinds of stuff. And these are surprisingly fast and easy to put together. All you really need is like a mallet, and they just slip right in right here. Now this first one that I'm going to show you is the one that comes with the wood, and you can build it up tall. It's 48 by 24 by 72 inches. So you just knock the beams down into place into those slots, and you can go all the way up, or you can configure it a different way to where one side you have 3 and then the other side you have 2. So it kind of makes it like a workbench type, like a workbench type storage shelf. On the heavier duty one, it comes with these metal beams, and then you just knock those in the same way and you build it all the way up, and it has those metal grates instead of the wood. Now on mine, I added plywood in addition to those grates, just so I could put small things like bolts and stuff. But you can also configure it the same way. You can have 3 on one side and 2 on the other. So it's very convenient, very versatile. These have been really handy. Kind of embarrassed how unorganized it is right now, but it's pretty nice. And those you can get in the store. And here's one of the MVPs, I should say, of my shop. It helps me keep it clean. It's just this very compact, the Craftsman shop vac. And the reason it's dented up and banged up is because I'm constantly kicking it like this to get it out of the way. I don't really mean to do that to damage it, but it's just easy. And this thing has been through quite a bit, and you can just go, they keep these in stock. You can get the new air filters. It's a wet vac also, And so it really helps me. I also use it when I'm cleaning the drain for my air conditioner. The drain, I'll use the vacuum. I'll show you guys real quick. I'll take it out here and I'll hook it up to that drain valve, and I'll suck all that. You know, I do it about every month to keep the that thing clean. Another thing I utilize a lot are these fold out tables, and I have another one up in the attic. So I utilize these quite a bit. Just make a little pop-up workbench, workstation, hold parts and things. But what I was going to show you real quick was this blower, this Ego blower, and I really like it because I just, you know, once I've moved stuff out of the shop or out of the garage, and I got grass or dirt, whatever, I'll sweep up whatever. But I'll also use this. I'll just kind of use this and blow the floor clean. Even when I'm, you know, I'll wash stuff in here quite a bit, and I can dry the floor with this pretty quickly. And after you cut the grass, you can blow off the mower, blow off your walkways, sidewalk, all that. And I use it a lot just to blow off equipment before I work on it. Just very handy. And I like it not having to, like, you know, worry about gas and cranking it up and all that. I can just come over here and pop a battery in it, and you'll be surprised how long. It's got a little battery gauge right there. And these are pretty nice. I'll put a link down to all this stuff in the description. And working for myself, you know, doing all kinds of different jobs, you know, efficiency is key. And another thing that I like about Lowe's is that I'll get on the app, again, use my link, load up that app, and then you can order stuff to have it ready to pick up from the store. So I'll kind of go around and I'll be like, oh man, I need more simple green or carb cleaner or whatever, and I'll just add that, and then I'll go into they'll shoot me a text message, hey, it's ready to be picked up. And then that way I don't forget anything. Or if you're sending an employee or whatever to go pick it up, you can just go in, you know, they'll text you like a barcode, and they just walk in there, do the barcode, associate hands you the stuff, and you're in and out of there in no time. And then that allows me, like, as I'm kind of going around doing stuff, I'll add it to my list and then submit it, and then I can continue working, staying efficient. And then once it's ready, it's usually ready within a couple of you know, sometimes just a few minutes, but usually within an hour or so they'll have it ready. And some stuff I've even had just where I couldn't find it in the local store, just have it shipped right to my door. I mean, I've had stuff like this, like the concrete cleaner, shipped right to my door. So that's another option too. So that's it, guys. Those are my top products that I like to use. It make me efficient, make my shop, you know, I can basically, it's like a shape-shifting shop. I go from painting to welding to mechanic work. And a lot of times customers come in here and they're like, man, this place looks completely different from like just an hour ago. And, you know, having that outdoor storage shed, having these shelves right here, the vacuum, the floor jack, that it saves me a lot of time. All these things combined just helps me stay efficient, and helps me make money. So do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Again, use my storefront link, get those, sign up for that app, and also go on there and look at all the other stuff that's available online that's not available in the store. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll have more videos like this coming soon.